welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing morning drop off, so I have both kids with me right now. Kyrie's going to daycare, Micah is going to summer camp, and then I'm going back home. So yeah, I wanted to pick up the camera today, show you guys what I eat in a day, kind of spend the day with us, and just kind of get back into the groove of things of vlogging. You want to say good morning?
Morning. It's been like 20 years since my mom vlogged.
Kyrie wants to say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Mom.
No, say hi, vlog family.
Hi, vlog family.
All right, guys.
And now Daddy's gone.
Daddy's at work. Yep, Daddy's back at work. He was off for almost 2 weeks. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's see what today brings.
See you.
Okay, guys, it's time to make breakfast. I am going to make a spinach and mushroom and cheese omelet, and then I'm gonna pair it with fruit and some type of breakfast sausage or bacon, depending on what we have. And yeah, that's gonna be my little low carb, low calorie meal today. So let's make breakfast. It is 11:40, so by the time the food's done, it should be noon, and then break our fast. Okay, so this is one of my favorite pans, but then I used it for something and now it's so dirty, but it's like one of the best non-stick pans that I got from Target, so I'm gonna have to go buy a new one. But we're gonna use this to saute our veggies first. Alright guys, and this is breakfast. We've got our mushroom and spinach and cheese omelet topped with about 1/4 of an avocado, topped with everything but the bagel seasoning. We've got 3 sausage links here and about 4 strawberries. So this, I cannot wait. It's gonna keep me so full. This is low carb and keto friendly. If you're looking for a nice filling breakfast, I would definitely recommend. I'd also recommend splashing some hot sauce on top of the eggs. You guys know I need my little kick. Anyway, let's have breakfast. All right guys, it's about 3 o'clock. We're gonna have a little snack. I have prosciutto here and also turkey, like Slim Jims, or turkey like meat snacks. Snack sticks is what it's called. So we're gonna, here, I don't think I can open it with one hand. We're just gonna do 2. So we're gonna do 2. And this is just gonna be your little snack, lots of protein, and just low carb. Alright guys, so it's actually only 5:30. I already took a shower because I make my kids take showers as soon as they get home. So I just take a shower early because I want Kyrie to shower. But anyways, we are going to go ahead and make dinner tonight. It's gonna be very easy. It's gonna be like a Wendy's inspired dinner, but it's going to be low carb and keto friendly. So yeah, and then Jamal and the kids will eat this with me tonight. So yeah, let's make dinner. Okay, chicken is in the air fryer, 20 minutes. Halfway through we're gonna flip, but I seasoned it with just, as you guys saw, avocado oil, Montreal chicken, this Tabitha Brown's garlic black pepper and lemon pepper, and then of course paprika. So, and then regular black pepper. So just 4 seasonings. I didn't add salt. So yeah, we shall wait. Ooh, looks good. So here are some of the dressings or sauces that you can add onto your chicken wrap. I have my low carb tortilla wrap here, but some of my family's favorite sauces are this Hidden Valley Ranch, barbecue sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce. This is my favorite, the home-styled ranch dressing, or then you can just do mayo. But I pulled some of these out because I don't know who wants what, but we're still waiting for the chicken. And then we also have our shredded lettuce and our blend of shredded cheese. So, all right guys, so I don't think I was filming, guys, but I added mayo, and then I added shredded lettuce, and then I added the chicken. We're then gonna add some shredded cheese. So I'm gonna do 1 home-styled ranch, and then we're gonna wrap this up. And so look at that. I did Hidden Valley Ranch with this, and then I did home-styled ranch with this. So let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm also gonna pack this for lunch tomorrow because I'm going into the office, but let's take a bite. That is so good. It tastes like what I would buy at like fast food places. Oh my gosh, guys, my camera was literally on slow motion. I'm so sorry, but this is the next day. I wanted to bring you guys again with me because I'm heading into the office and I packed my lunch. So I kind of just wanted to let you guys see like what I'm having for lunch. I break my fast usually around 12, but here's me just explaining to you guys that I'm going into work and that it's the next day. So yeah, let's see what I have for lunch. Okay guys, it is our lunch time. It is 12:01 and I'm whispering because obviously I'm in the office. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We've got our lunch that we packed yesterday. So what we had for dinner. So I've got like my utensils packed in here, and then I've just been drinking water. You guys are actually on like the top of my Stanley cup since I don't have a tripod. Oh, you guys, this, I heated up my tortilla, so we're gonna use that side. And then I packed the home-styled ranch in here. And then I also have so many packs of this hot sauce in my drawer at work. Let me see if I can focus. Oh. I bought lots of lettuce. I did wash my hands, don't worry. Big piece of chicken that we air fried yesterday. Cheese. All with ranch. Okay, let's wrap this bad boy up. It's so big. I am not able to wrap it like I did yesterday, but you guys like get the idea. So this is gonna be my lunch. So we're gonna go ahead and eat. And then we've got our hot sauce, drizzle, and bon appetit. Something else as a snack. We brought strawberries. Be my little snack. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm gonna finish my little snack, end the video, edit the video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. My camera is coming in today. I bought a new vlogging camera, so I'm so excited. I know for sure once I get that camera in, it's gonna make me want to vlog just every single day. So if you see me posting like all the time, a few times a week, please don't get sick of me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.